Is Octane Boost okay to use if I can't find premium gas at the marina? Octane, well, here's what I recommend. Use premium every opportunity you can with your supercharged ski. Supercharged skis require premium. If you're at a ramp or you're at a marina and all they have is 89, all right, the highest thing they got is 89, and a bottle of Octane Boost in ratio to how much fuel you're putting in will help. What Octane Boost is effectively trying to do, I mean, fuel additives do the same sort of thing, is that they're basically trying to replicate the positive effects of leaded gasoline, which went out the way of the dodo in the 70s. But leaded gasoline was one of the best things that ever happened to gasoline engines, and environmentalists freaked out thinking that leaded gasoline was killing everyone.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.